Illegal seduction technique? He's opened the vaults on this one. Lots of next level stuff. What the media is hiding about what women really want. Wherever your game is now, we're about to throw it into overdrive and slam on the gas. Take this information and use it wisely, my friend. One concept he touches on will reframe the entire way you interact with women. It clears up a mystery that some men have been struggling with for thousands of years, while other men figured it out and kept it to themselves, because it means they basically get all the women. Things will take a huge upturn for you when you start using this to get women to subconsciously want to approach you. It reveals stuff like pre-selection, why you don't need to be alpha to get women, common body language mistakes that you get stuck in the friend zone, and lots more. Literally everyone is talking about it. See for yourself what I mean. Time is of the essence, so I'll keep this short. Be sure to check out my friend Josh's controversial video, Can a Goldfish Help You Get Laid? By clicking on the link below this video to visit youcandatehotwomen.com. Forget being alpha, be like the goldfish instead. And by the way, this video is not safe for work. Within the first 5 seconds, I guarantee you'll be thinking, WTF. Listen, I think you should watch this and get the real scoop on how to meet and attract the women that you actually desire. That closed group of gorgeous, sexy women that you can't get to know unless you know the secrets exposed in this video. And today, if you're already hooking up with these kinds of girls, then you probably already know about what's in this presentation. But if not, you'll be forced to settle for hooking up with, dating, and even marrying average to below average women. Think of it this way. If you're not with a 9 or a 10 right now, you've simply been intentionally misled into thinking that it wasn't an easy option. What are you waiting for? Click the link below this video to watch Josh's controversial video at youcandatehotwomen.com. This video is literally the talk of the entire dating pickup community. In it you'll discover what pre-selection is and why it trumps everything else. The #1 body language trick that keeps you out of the friend zone. How to look at her so that she'll want to make the first move and kiss you. One little sentence that makes her way more open to getting physical with you, and lots more. On top of that, you'll discover how and why all the be alpha male advice is BS, and why you should be like the goldfish, if you're a normal guy who wants above average women. When you watch it, you'll uncover one of the biggest biological mysteries behind feminine attraction and how to use it to your advantage. In fact, this goldfish secret is the #1 thing you must understand if you're serious about creating instant attraction with your type of woman, no matter how hot she is. One of the things that keeps the woman of your dreams from being in your arms, or your bed, right now, is simply making too many mistakes. In other words, the problem isn't what you're not doing, but rather the things you are doing that are repelling women. But this video helps you fix that too, including little things like how you orient your body and what that tells women about you, especially when you first meet. Here's what you'll get from this presentation over at youcandatehotwomen.com. 3 stealthy ninja sexual triggers to turn women on without them having any idea why. One major lie that you've been told, which has been secretly sabotaging your chances with hot women. And Super Ninja. 8 minutes in, Josh reveals a weird but proven method to making hot women lick their lips and think about doing dirty things to you. You'll discover insane techniques that will forever alter your success with hot women, and it'll give you some techniques that will make it feel like you've got a secret weapon in your back pocket that makes women instantly want you to get you into bed, including a guaranteed way to make a girl, that's any girl by the way, no matter how hot or how long you've already known her, be completely obsessed with thinking about kissing you. It actually has to do with a weird eye reading trick developed by the FBI about 50 years ago. Show this to your buddies and they will be a god forever. Now I was skeptical myself, but that was before I actually met Josh and saw him in action. The guy is the real deal, both as a seducer and teacher, and what he teaches gets results with women fast than just about anything else I've seen. In fact, it works especially well on hotter women, 8s, 9s, and 10s, and even better if you're the kind of guy who's failed with other methods in the past. P.S. The video is packed with killer material. You'll find out exactly if or when you should go in for the kiss, how your body language could instantly put you into the friend zone and what to do about it, and so much more. Don't miss this chance to see what all the fuss is about. Watch it now by clicking the link below this video at youcandatehotwomen.com. My favorite part is when Josh reveals a 20-word sentence, simpler than it sounds, which you can casually use in almost any conversation, that literally doubles or triples the odds that she'll chase you and want to get physical. Those sneaky mofos aren't happy that I'm sharing this with you, but I really think everybody needs it. When I told this to my buddies, we absolutely had to go out immediately and see if it was the truth. This secret technique is a game changer. PPS. If you want to get to this video later and it's already taken down, don't say I didn't warn you. Josh just told me it's coming down tonight, and after that, you'll never be able to use these breakthroughs everyone's talking about to instantly attract the exact type of woman you want. Don't wait. Just click the link below this video at youcandatehotwomen.com and find out exactly how a goldfish can make you immediately more attractive and confident with women starting today. Or guard it as a secret and never tell a soul. Either way, you're about to become a hacker of female brains. Plus, you can give the finger to those a-holes who wanted to hide this information from you. Again, you'll be keeping this video up until midnight. No time like the present to learn something that will change how you see yourself and women forever. After that, your carriage will turn back into a pumpkin. The video will disappear. If you're at work or if you can't privately watch a video that teaches you uncensored techniques right now, then wait to click on this link until you have some privacy. Here's that link again. youcandatehotwomen.com.